Welcome back to Channel Auto Drive Hub as your go-to channel for the latest automobile news, in-depth reviews, and industry updates on the hottest rides. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1 is a masterpiece of engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with race-inspired performance. Its aggressive styling, aerodynamic fairings, and sharp LED headlights give it a commanding presence on the road. The lightweight aluminum frame ensures superior handling, while the advanced suspension system provides optimal comfort and stability at high speeds. The heart of the YZF-R1 is a powerful 998cc crossplane inline-4 engine, delivering exhilarating acceleration and top-end performance. Yamaha's latest electronic aids, including ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, wheelie control, and slide control, ensure maximum control in all riding conditions. The quickshifter allows seamless upshifts and downshifts without using the clutch, enhancing the overall riding experience. The TFT display offers a wealth of information at a glance, including multiple ride modes to suit different conditions and rider preferences. The braking system features high-performance Brembo calipers, providing exceptional stopping power with confidence. The aerodynamic winglets improve stability at high speeds by generating downforce, inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP technology. The lightweight wheels and sticky tires contribute to exceptional grip and responsiveness on both the track and the street. Yamaha's latest electronic suspension adapts in real time to road conditions, offering a plush ride in normal settings and razor-sharp precision in sport mode. The YZF-R1's aggressive exhaust note, combined with its high-revving engine, creates an exhilarating soundtrack that adds to the thrill of riding. The riding ergonomics are designed for a perfect balance between comfort and aggressive performance, making it suitable for both spirited track days and long highway runs. The advanced cornering ABS system ensures confidence-inspiring braking, even when leaned over in a turn. Yamaha's new launch control system allows for blistering acceleration from a standstill, making it a formidable competitor on the drag strip. The lightweight lithium-ion battery helps reduce overall weight, improving agility and handling. The aerodynamic windscreen and bodywork are designed to minimize drag and maximize efficiency, allowing the bike to slice through the air effortlessly. The LED lighting system not only enhances visibility but also adds a modern and aggressive look to the bike. The integrated riding modes allow the rider to fine-tune power delivery, traction control, and other parameters for a personalized experience. Yamaha's commitment to performance and innovation is evident in every aspect of the YZF-R1, making it one of the most advanced leader-class motorcycles available today. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for track-ready performance or an enthusiast who appreciates cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1 delivers an unmatched riding experience. With its race-derived DNA, high-tech features, and thrilling performance, the YZF-R1 continues to be a benchmark in the superbike segment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Drive Hub for more exciting content on the latest automobiles.